What is going on, legends? Welcome back to another video. I have an important conversation to discuss with you, and I would love it if you could hear me out on this one. I promise it'll only take a few minutes, and you never know, it could be you who needs to hear this. Now, before I begin, I do ask that you keep an open mind, and I mean well with what I'm about to address. I speak this message with hopes and intentions to reach or help even at least one person. So with all that being said, guys, let's begin. I've recently been going through and struggling with some things, and I'm not here to tell you my story or share what's going on. Rather so, I'd like to use my own experiences to make this video and bring your attention and focus towards mental health awareness. You see, my story may not be valid, although some of you very well could relate. However, I'd rather bring the focus on those who are or could be struggling with certain aspects in their life. Whether it be mental health, experiencing loss or setbacks, certain health issues, heartbreak, maybe it's something entirely different. Like being neglected, abused, maybe taken advantage of in any way. If this is you, I cannot stress this enough. I need you to hear me out on this one. Just really take a moment and hear me out. You have to reach out. You don't and should not have to go through any of this alone. It is as simple as that. And you just have to reach out. I know it might be difficult or sound silly. Perhaps you're worried it'll be a burden to others. Maybe you're scared or uncomfortable. But if you have anyone around you in your life, anyone at all, maybe it's a friend or a neighbor, a family member or partner, someone you even work with. Maybe it's your superior, like your boss. Maybe you wish not to involve anyone in your life that you know, and rather go through confidential support systems that have been put in place to assist those such as yourself or myself who are in need. Either way, you've got to reach out. I can't stress this enough. You have to. It could be the very thing that saves your lives and helps you out. And on that note, you've also got to try to find a healthy way or outlet to let it all out. You and I both know that if you bottle things up, there's only one outcome of that. I've been through some multiple tough experiences, losses, challenges, failures, heartbreak, and more. But again, my story isn't what's important here. I've got many more experiences and challenges ahead of me, but with all that, I have spent most of my life, so many years, trying to take on the world, my issues, and any and everything that I've struggled with alone. But life was not meant to be that way. We're not meant to do all of this alone, guys. And it is okay to ask for help sometimes. And again, it could be the very thing that helps or saves your life. Now, I know I've gone on a lot already. Bear with me. The point I'm trying to make here is that from my very own experiences that I've gone and going through, it's given me perspective and opened my mind to the very fact that some of you here listening right here, right now, you don't really have anybody that you can turn to. Someone you can go to or talk to or get some advice from. Especially when things seem blurry, uncertain, it can be very overwhelming to make certain decisions when you're going through these difficulties. I hope I'm making sense with all of this, and I mean well again with what I'm trying to approach here. Life can be challenging. We all go through and experience certain difficulties, and change is inevitable. With all that, maybe it's not you, maybe it's someone that you know going through a rough time. We really have to look out and be there for each other. Not judge, not hate, not point fingers and cause division. We need to break the cycle, because all we have is people breaking other people down. No, we don't do that. We need to bring people up. We have to find a way to reconnect, be there and support each other. Life really is too short and we don't have forever. So with what little time that we do have, we have to live our lives and enjoy it, taking the fruits that have been gifted to us. I'll admit, even I can lose sight of these things, all of the things that happen in our everyday lives, but I don't think any of you could argue that I'm wrong here. And again, sometimes reaching out for help being the one to reach out and help someone else, it could be the very thing that helps someone or stops them from going all the way over the edge. Again, I do mean well when I say these things. I've always had intentions to give and help others, use my channel and my platform to do more than just play games, and maybe this could be the beginning of something new. But overall, I'm simply just trying to find a way to bring your attention and awareness towards mental health and those who may be struggling. Thank you for hearing me, and I hope this message helps. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There is no StumpsMC without you guys. I appreciate you all. Much love. Thank you for hearing me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.